Welcome back, everybody. Christmas Eve, 12/24/24. And I have the lovely Debbie on the back of the 2020 Can-Am Spyder F3T, and I am showing her the river road outside of New Braunfels, Texas. Those would be cool. This is my new go-to road. If I want to do a quick ride. Amazing. Very nice, very nice. These houses. It'd be cool to stay in a house over the weekend. Come down, play in the river. So outside of New Braunfels to, I don't even know what highway, just the New River Road. I'm sorry, the River Road. This is a Guadalupe River, I do believe. Do a little kayaking, do some fish on. So she used to live here, I don't know for how many years she lived here, and then she was stationed in England, so she was over there for 7 years, and she's been back in Texas for 2. But I don't know if she's ever come out this way. See, right there, that's where we need. I need to get a truck, I need to get a camper, and we need to come camping down there by the river. Oh, the deer. Lots of deer. And we got some moo cows and some more deer. There's a ton of deer. They're tiny deer though. Like those are adult, full-grown deer. Nothing like what we have in Ohio. They're just miniaturized. Go ahead and put my foot up by the brake just in case one decides to jump out. We have wild boar here. Yes, I said wild boar. Big old hairy pigs. I've seen a dead one on the side of the road. I wouldn't mind seeing one. I think it'd be kind of cool to see one. You know, like a bear from a distance. Spanish moss. Kind of reminds me, there's this road that goes along the Hocking River from Lancaster to Sugar Grove. Kind of reminds me of that. And we have new comm systems. I went out and bought her a new helmet. We got Pack Talk 2, something like that. Cardos, but I didn't do something right. So we can listen to music together, but we can't hear one another. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I did wrong. And then maybe we'll get out here and do a little vlog together. I'll ask her what she thinks of the Spyder, and she's never ridden. We've only been out maybe 5 times. But then again, I mean, we just got married July 26th of 2024. You know, so not a lot of time on the Spyder together yet. A little scoot, a little Honda rumble. Something like that. 75 degrees today on Christmas Eve. I don't know if I've ever ridden on Christmas Eve. Maybe for Christmas lights, but definitely not in short sleeves. Oh, I got some fishermen out there. Some fisher people. Come down to the fly shop. Oh, it's incredibly warm. I absolutely love it. You know, so I've only been down this road a handful of times, so I'm still taking in all the sights, trying to see all the things. No glass or styrofoam on the river. Makes sense, right? It's not like this river's 30 foot deep, you know? These people are out there wading down to go fishing, and that's all they need to do is step on some glass. Maybe a little bit of like Clear Creek Park, just south of Lancaster. Definitely, it's a fantastic little road. Oh, 57 Chevy. Wow, that was an amazing car. It takes about an hour to do this loop. Gypsy River. And I don't know how many crossings, there's 3 or 4 of them. Guadalupe River. There we go, got a little buzzard eating a deer. I'll tell you, this is nice, beautiful pre-Christmas ride with a beautiful woman. I dig this. We went out to get her a helmet and went to all the motorcycle shops. Couldn't find anything. So we had to go into Cycle Gear, which is cool because, you know, they're part of Revzilla. Never been in a Cycle Gear. We were able to find her a helmet. It was Black Friday, so they had a thing, get $80 off of a comm system. So that's what we did, and then I came home and ordered the same one through Revzilla, and all I gotta do is make them work. Oh, I heard the birdies. Cougar. She's patting me. She knows what I'm saying. Bug flew in my helmet, or a hair is tickling my ear. Either way, I hate that feeling. I need to. Oh, I thought that was a real deer. It was a reindeer. But no, I need to find more. There's our fall color. Right before Christmas. I dig that it's going to be so easy to ride all year. Well, I don't want to say it's going to be easy to ride all year round, because in the summer it's difficult. It's hot. I think there's people that full time. I mean, why not? If you can. It's a lot cheaper than buying a house. Check out the old truck. Gorgeous. Sit out after a long day at work and just chill by the river. And like I said, this is just a nice, easy ride, nice and slow. Got Tandon Tipsy on the Galapalo River. Galapalo. The Guadalupe. Yeah, I definitely need more and more. More roads, more miles. What time is it? 4:30? Plenty of time. Get home before it gets dark. Super pretty. Those are all campsites. Huh. I wonder if it's just for the season or... or if those are the campsites and these are the RV sites. Super, super pretty. Water's green. Like an emerald. I'm assuming it's like moss covered and it's so shallow. All the caves back there, I've never noticed that. Oh, it's a paddle boat. You see that? He's pedaling it. Kids down there playing. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I think January is winter here, so I'm looking forward to winter maybe. This is going to be the longest ride that she's had, so we'll see how this new helmet is. Hopefully, the last one was a size too small, put a lot of pressure on her forehead, so hopefully we're a lot better now. We might have to go down in pads, go from a large pad to an extra large pad so they're thinner. I had to go from a 2X to a 1X. No, I went from a 2X to a large to make this helmet fit me. Guadalupe River and the River Road. So there we go, we're done. We're just gonna head on home, so if you could give me a big old thumbs up. I hope everybody has a safe and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays from the Fat Man here in New Braunfels, Texas. See you down the road, everybody.